Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Farming 4.0. Today we will take you on a fascinating journey into the world of bananas, where you'll uncover the secrets behind harvesting and preparing these delicious fruits for the market. From lush plantations in tropical regions to the shelves of our favorite stores, bananas travel a long and interesting path. Whether you're passionate about agriculture, curious to learn more about the fruits you eat daily, or just want to see how technology is changing the face of farming, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Farming 4.0 channel, and activate the bell to stay updated with the newest and most interesting episodes about modern agriculture. Let's discover the fascinating world of bananas together. The first step in obtaining the fresh bananas we find in stores is harvesting them, a process that requires great attention and skill. Bananas are picked by trained and experienced individuals who specialize in this activity. An art and a science, bananas are not harvested when they are fully ripe. In fact, they are picked when they are still green. This allows the fruit to be transported and to ripen gradually, reaching consumers in optimal condition. Specific tools and techniques. Banana harvesters use machetes or special knives to cut the large bunches of bananas from the plants. These bunches can weigh between 30 and 50 kilograms, so handling them requires strength and dexterity. To prevent the fruit from being damaged, the bunches are allowed to fall onto the shoulders or into specially designed harnesses. Then they are carefully placed into boxes or onto conveyor belts. After harvesting, the bananas are quickly transported to a packing facility. Here they are washed to remove the latex, a white sticky substance that can ooze from the stem after cutting, and any impurities. The bananas are then sorted by quality and size, ensuring that only the best ones reach the market. The green bananas are loaded into refrigerated containers and transported worldwide. During transport, temperature and humidity are strictly controlled to prevent premature ripening. Once they reach their destination, the bananas are placed in special ripening rooms, where they are exposed to ethylene, a natural gas that helps them ripen evenly and turn yellow. The bananas are immersed in clean water or underwater jets to ensure thorough cleaning. In some cases, mild disinfectant solutions are used to eliminate bacteria and other microorganisms that might be present on the banana peels. Washing not only improves the appearance of the bananas, but also helps extend their shelf life by reducing the risk of mold and other storage problems. After washing, the bananas are sorted by quality and size, ensuring that only the best ones reach the market. This sorting process is essential to provide consumers with high-quality bananas. The bananas are then carefully packaged to prevent damage during transport. Green bananas are loaded into refrigerated containers and transported worldwide. During transport, strict control over temperature and humidity is maintained to prevent premature ripening. Once they reach their destination, the bananas are placed in special ripening rooms where they are exposed to ethylene, a natural gas that helps them ripen uniformly and acquire their characteristic yellow color. The temperature in the refrigerated containers is maintained within a specific range to slow down the ripening process of the bananas. Typically, the temperature is set around 15 degrees Celsius to keep the bananas in a green state until they reach their destination. Humidity is also controlled to prevent drying out or deterioration of the fruits during their long journey. Refrigerated containers are equipped with ventilation systems that allow air circulation around the fruits. This helps maintain a uniform atmosphere inside the container and ensures even distribution of temperature and humidity. International transport of bananas is a complex and well-regulated process that involves cooperation between producers, transporters, and distributors to ensure the delivery of fresh and high-quality products worldwide. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.